red ones here across from that one, and then 4 red ones there. So I should see excellent, superb, great job, great job. Let me see if they're doing them in the back. Roosevelt, the equation says 3x equals -12. So the other box on the other side of the equation is where those other tiles would go. Good job, excellent job, Natalia. Great job, Brianna. Good job. Let's see what you have, Jaden. You're Jaden, right? So you have 3 variable tiles, right? And across from each of those tiles, put 1 at the top, 1 in the middle. No, the variable tiles, and then 1 at the bottom. So look at the person next to you and see how theirs is set up. They set yours up exactly the same way. Okay, now that we've done that, now we're going to solve this equation. 3x equals -12, right? Am I right?
Yes.
So what form or what operation are we looking at right here? Raise your hand if you want me to identify it with you. Yes, Walter.
Multiplication.
Right. So with multiplication, if I'm going to move this, what am I moving? Am I moving the 3x? Just the 3 alone, correct. So we're isolating a variable or leaving the variable over there by itself, right? Am I correct?
Yes.
And we're going to do what?
Divide 3.
We're going to divide 3. And why are we dividing 3 on both sides?
It's the
Opposite.
It is the inverse or the opposite of the operation that's currently in place. So we're going to divide 3 on both sides. So with me dividing 3, I'm going to cancel this one. And how many times does 3 go into -12?
3.
-4. So x is going to equal a -4. Now, remember, you should have only one variable at this time if you're creating this answer. So how would you create that answer if you got 3x equals -12? So if you cancel out the 2 variable tiles, what else do you have to cancel out to match it?
the 2 rows
The 2 rows of your integer tiles. Brianna, you have a question?
I got answers.
I'm going to take a quick peek. Go ahead. So you didn't have to put any positive tiles there because you're not doing addition and subtraction to create 0 pairs, okay? Good job, excellent, excellent. Let's see what we have. Good job, excellent. Good job, people. If you have to just kind of glance over and see what your partner next to you is doing, it's okay. Because sometimes watching someone else will help you. All right, everyone has done that. Let's move up. Are there any questions so far? So now we're going to try an equation 2k, and I need you to set this equation up. 2k equals -8. 2k. So what does 2k represent?
2 variables.
2,000.
I need a hand raise. What does 2k represent in this equation? 2k equals
Oh, 2K is 2 in the, it's 2 Ks.
2 variables. So
So
it's a variable with a value of 2. So whatever it is, you're going to have 2 of them. And then it says equals to -8. So you got 2 friends who is going to share 8 cups of coffee. Yes. Good job. Excellent. I'm looking to see if you've set the equation up correctly. Good job. Superb. I'm still waiting on you to set up your equation. That's what you got. Good job. Excellent. I can see in the back. Still waiting for a couple of people. Good job. No. So the long tiles are your variable. If you have 2k, how many long tiles do you need in the first box, Kevin? So get rid of the small integer tiles out of there. Now separate them. One moment. Separate them. Now, if you have 8 that you're splitting between the 2, it's going to be 4 with the first variable and 4 with the second variable. Excellent job. Now we're going to solve this. We're going to solve this 2k equals -8. I'm isolating what? Raise your hand and tell me. Yes, sir. I'm isolating the variable. What am I doing with the 2? Yes.
You're putting it to the divide, adding it to that side.
I'm adding it.
No.
Hold on.
You're putting it to the other side so you can divide.
So I'm gonna divide, and why am I dividing 2 on both sides?
Because it's the opposite.
Raise your hand. Yes, sir.
Because it's the opposite of multiplication.
It's the opposite or inverse of the multiplication of 2 times k. And so I'm gonna cancel. 2 goes into -8 how many times?
4.
-4.
-4. So k is going to equal a -4. I need to see if that's what you've done. When you cancel out one of the variables, when you cancel the variable, you also cancel the integers with it.
Just wanted to make sure I heard this correctly.
Good job, excellent, superb. Good job,
To come back
good
after.
job. I'm still waiting on you to cancel. You're gonna have 1 variable tile left. You know, you always have to leave a variable. And with that variable tile, you have 4. Kevin, waiting on you to cancel them out.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure because I thought you said. Okay, my apologies.
Got it?
All right.
I'm still waiting on you to get rid of some of those tiles. You don't have a variable to match, there should be no tiles. Excellent, excellent. Good job, everyone. Let's try D. No, before we go to D, we'll do -15 plus 3t, and I'll put it on the board so you can see it. -15, so now it's changed, because before you had 2k, your variable equals some number. Now you have the number first, which will equal 3t. So set that up. -15, which will equal 3t. Set that equation up for me. How many integer tiles will that be?
15.
It'll be 15 of them, 15 negative integer tiles. You know how many variables? What is your variable content? 3t. So you're gonna have 3 variables in the box to the right on one side of the equation, and then 15 negative tiles in the box to the left.
I did it.
So it's gonna be
But now, let's remember, in order to work with those integer tiles, if you have 15 negative tiles and 3 variables, how would we split that up evenly? It would be 5 negative tiles per integer tile.
Oh, it's reversed.
That's perfect. It's reverse.
I would take the.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Excellent job, Devin.
Reverse it. I put the easy one.
Good job, Natalia. Way to go, ladies. You need to make 5 negative tiles. Line up with each of those 3 variable tiles. Good job. What do you have, Jada? So it should be 5.
8 more
Excellent.
minutes.
Excellent. Excellent. All right, so now we're gonna solve this equation. I want someone to help me with this. Let's see who I have. Daquan. So I have a -15 equals 3t. What is the goal when we're working with an equation that has variables in it? We want to isolate these variables. So what form or what operation are we looking at right here? Multiplication. Now, how would I be able to cancel this 3 out on this side and have only t over here?
divide 3.
So I'm gonna divide 3 by both sides. Okay, so when I divide 3 by both sides, I'm going to cancel here. Then what do I do with the 3 into -15?
T equals -5.
T -5 will equal t. Would be your answer. So I need you all to create -5 equals t. -5 equals t. -5 equals t. Good job. Good job, good job. -5 equals t. Good job. What do you have, Kevin? Excellent. Still waiting on you. -5 equals t. I'm still waiting on you. Good job, Nelson. Brianna, good job. Good job. Are there any questions so far about working with the algebraic tiles and solving a one-step equation? No questions? All right, I want everybody to do E, 4H minus 16. I'm gonna put it on the board. For the letter H as in house, equals a negative 16. 4H equals a negative 16. I want you to set it up. When I tell you okay, then I want you to solve the equation once it's set up properly. 4H equal negative 16. You're not done. I don't see them lined up properly. You got 16 negative tiles. I should see 4 rows of how many negative tiles? 4 rows of 4. Excellent. Now solve that equation. Solve it on paper. Solve it right there on top of your mat. Solve it. Solve it. Still waiting for some of you to complete. You have 4? I don't see 4.
Ms. Johnson, I can solve it.
Excellent. Now solve it. Good job. You're not done yet, sir. You're good. All right. So, I'll wait. I said you first. So tell me what I need to do, Sydney.
That's it.
So what's the first thing? We're going to do what with the variable? I hear talking, and that's not good.
I was helping Brianna, that's right.
So we're gonna isolate the variable, which is H, and then what are we gonna do next? What operation are we looking at here? So if we got multiplication, what is the inverse of multiplication? So we're going to divide, right? Okay, I'm gonna cancel. I'll bring the H down. 4 into a negative 16 leaves you with what? Negative 4.
That's it.
So I should see on your mat 1 variable and 4 negative tiles. Good job. Go ahead and put your stuff away. Good job. Put it away. Good job. Put it away. Excellent job. Put it away. That's not right. Good job. Put it away. Good job. Put it away. Mr. Ward, you're good. Matt, you're good. Nelson, wonderful job. Good job. Excellent, Natalia. Way to go, Brianna. Yes, Jaden, that's it. Excellent. Excellent. All hands up. All hands up. I'm still waiting for everyone to raise their hand. Daquan, everyone should have their hand up so that we are at level 0. Still waiting on you, Devin. Still waiting on you, Walter. Okay. When your hand goes down, your mouth is closed. So put your algebraic tiles away. No, we're not going to pick up the next because we're going to do a couple more when we come back from lunch. Because when you come back from lunch, you're going to take the algebraic tiles and you're going to do just the opposite. You're going to write the equation from the algebraic tiles. So you can put all your tiles away. I want the mats passed all the way around to one end of the table. So they pass them around here to Melanie. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'm going to need Jalen. You're going to pick up those algebraic calculus. You run on the floor. I'll need those. Yep, pick them up. I'll wait. I'll need Jalen to pick up the mats. I'm still here talking.
Jaden. Okay, Kevin, you got an algebra towel right there. Right by your paper.
I'll wait because we're preparing to go to
Right,
lunch.
you just pushed it under the desk.
You got me.